Oh my god, guys, this is actually working. Just look at this. Free resources are rolling into my game. Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Before doing anything, I want to make sure my power saving mode is turned off. Same thing applies for iPhone users. Now I'm going in my phone settings, apps category, and select the game. Here I tap on storage, and then we have this clear cache button. A simple tap on it will refresh our game. For iOS devices, simply make sure your background app refresh is turned on. Now I want to show you my game to see my resources before doing anything. As you can see, not too many. That being said, let's change this situation. First thing I'm doing is to go here, as you can clearly see on the screen right now. Then I am searching for the game name to find it easier. I see there are many users online, meaning it's still active. I select Android in my case, and the max value of resources, of course. If this is your first time here, they might ask you for an additional step. But don't worry, guys. In case it happens, they always provide everything is needed for a smooth process. Alright guys, time to see if my work was effective or not. Oh my god, guys, this is actually working. Just look at this. Free resources are rolling into my game. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button, leave a comment, and even subscribe if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.